Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, this is a gossip channel, okay? So I have to go and dig izindaba zabantu because it's gossip, guys. It's celebrity gossip, you know? So I was just sitting and wondering, is it really over between Mihlali, Ndamase and Leeroy? You know, based on what happened, we know they were, guys, you know the story by now. I was just like, are they still together or not? Let me go and check. Is it really over? But even after checking, guys, I still don't believe these people have broken up. I do not, because hey, I don't know, guys. Do you guys think it's finally over, Valley? I really don't know, hey? But yeah, man, I just had to do some digging, you know? And then I went on Instagram, guys. I went to Leeroy's Instagram to search, is he still following Mihlali, okay? And then I see. But on Mihlali's Instagram, she does not follow Leeroy Sidambe anymore. But Leeroy is still following Mihlali. So I don't know, guys. Do you guys think Vele it's finally over? I really don't know, hey? I don't know. Or maybe Mihlali Vele has made up her mind and then Leeroy is still thinking maybe they will fix things. Yeah, but I really don't know. These people, they've done this before, so I feel like they are going to get back together again. Indaba zabantu abayi-2 guys azingenwa, especially people who know each other naked. Hayi, awuzingeni nje ngoba zisala nawe. Maybe they are taking a break, but they didn't announce anything that they have broken up indeed, so we do not know. We will just have to watch and see is it really over or kanjani. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe. I will see you on my next one.